Today was just reviewing calculus. We have a quiz next Monday and it's Thursday today. It's the last class before the quiz, and then right after we have a test, basically about everything that we learned until now. So as a review, we just went over continuity. So where in which points for which x is there a discontinuity, and every time you have to evaluate with the interval, taking consideration of if the x even exists in that function, because not all the x that we want to check are in that interval of the function. If you learn continuity, you understand what that means. And then we looked at some trig stuff because you have to kind of memorize them. And then the last thing I had to know was the definition of the derivatives. So it's like the most basic one, but the longest formula, because if you replace everything, like the x and then the plus h, and like you have to replace basically x with x plus h, but then the chain gets very long, and if the equation was long itself, then it's even longer, where you can make lots of just silly mistakes when you're just trying to simplify stuff. And then that's pretty much it for the review. There's other stuff, but we couldn't cover because it's just really long to do one example. And then right after I had English, we started the essay outline, learning some essay basic stuff. So we read about the Japanese author we read last time. It's like the Midnight Bicycle text. It's a short story fiction, and we have to write an essay about how they use imagery. It's a technique, it's a device, literally device called imagery, to showcase the contrast or like the tension between female and male in the society. We could say parenting, because they showcase the female disadvantage or just difference between female and male considered in a family in terms of parenting as well. So like mother has less power over the control and just everything in the household. So then we have to write about how the imagery is like supporting this whole theme of difference in sex and parenting, you know. And then we had gym, so I walked like 5.5 kilometer. I think I did it in around 50 minutes. So yeah, that's enough sports for today.